अगर मैं उड़ी उड़ी जाए गाने की बात करूँ, सो उसमें भी काफ़ी फ़ोक एलिमेंट है, गरबा ही है एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव शाहरुख सर इन द सॉन्ग। और ये काइट फ्लाइंग फेस्टिवल लाइक जो उत्तरायण है, मकर संक्रांति है, उसका भी गाना है। जुल्मी सावरिया फॉर मी इज़ वेरी स्पेशल एंड song for the season.
Definitely, it was like a dream come true because all the best people come together. She has sung so beautifully.
थोड़ी रात रे जोगणी सामेनी पोळे गोरणियो बोले.
The collab with Honey Singh as well, so they have appreciated in this song as well.
Yes.
That ki your collab was amazing, ma'am. So do you want to
Thank
speak on that something?
Yeah, it was a great experience. Like, it was completely different from this in that I was being portrayed as an agent.
Firstly, Garba is, Garba means for you it's devotion, for you as well. So ये गाने जो है जुल्मी सावरिया, it's something which blends an essence, गिलाता है. What does it mean to you? Firstly.
Julmi Savaria for me is very special and song for the season. जुल्मी
जी.
सावरिया और लोगों का इतना प्यार मिल रहा है एंड ऑफ कोर्स जिस तरह से जिस लेवल पे शूट किया गया है इस गाने को, जिस लेवल से बनाया गया है, लिखा गया है, कुमार पाजी ने लिखा है एंड देन अमित त्रिवेदी सर जिन्होंने कंपोज किया है इस गाने को एंड आई गॉट दिस ब्यूटीफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी टू सिंग this duet with Amit
Yeah,
sir and
yeah.
of course Chandni.
Yeah.
She's absolutely stunning, looking stunning and beautiful.
Yeah.
In the song and आप देख सकते हो like how graceful she is.
Yes,
तो आप
yes.
सोच सकते हो कि जब performance में I was in awe of her. I am in awe of her performance
yeah.
and her presence on screen and usually. And she's done a fabulous work. She's just put her soul out and her heart out and I'm so happy to be a part of the song. And of course I would want to thank Hitendra and Piyush, Vibha Films, for putting this song together, and of course Vijay Ganguly sir, who's directed the song and also choreography उनकी है.
Yes.
And मेरे लिए तो सभी को मिलना फैन गर्ल मोमेंट हो गया because दिव्येंदु being in the song as well.
Yeah.
तो it was पूरी जो एनर्जी थी आई थिंक
The set was looking very amazing. It was looking like a Sanjay Leela Bhansali set. To be very honest, it was looking like full crapmastic.
मुझे जिन्होंने भी जहाँ भी मैं गई इस गाने को प्रमोट करने के लिए, एवरीबडी आस्क्ड मी कि कौन से फिल्म का है. सो आई थिंक नाउ पीपल विल हैव टू गेट यूज्ड टू द फैक्ट कि इंडिपेंडेंट गाने भी इस लेवल पे बन रहे हैं और बन सकते हैं आगे भी.
What about you, Charmi? You are looking amazing in the music.
Thank you so much.
It's your chemistry with Divyendu is just awe. To be very honest. What about you? How was your experience?
I am so grateful to be a part of this. For me, it meant a lot because I would love to be featured in a Gujarati Garba song as I'm a Gujarati myself.
Yes.
So definitely it was like a dream come true because all the best people come together. She has sung so beautifully and Amit Trivedi sir has composed the song so well, and it's like everyone creatively put their 100%, the soul and heart into it. So obviously the outcome shows. And of course my co-star, he's versatile, brilliant, phenomenal actor, and he did an amazing job. To be honest, it did not feel like we were shooting for a song. We were just enjoying on
Enjoying
set.
the
Yes.
process,
And
yes.
it came out very well. Yeah.
Do you feel Navratri is your festival because everywhere your songs, कहीं पे भी जाओ गरबा तो गरबा के लिए भी जाओ तो it's your songs, it's playing and there we're playing गरबा and everything. Do you think that it's your festival?
मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है बिकॉज जैसे मैं आपको जुल्मी सवरिया ऑफ कोर्स आई मीन आई कंसिडर दिस सॉन्ग एज द सॉन्ग फॉर द सीजन. लेकिन अगर मैं उड़ी उड़ी जाए गाने की बात करूँ, सो उसमें भी काफ़ी फोक एलिमेंट है, गरबा ही है एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव शाहरुख सर इन द सॉन्ग. और ये काइट फ्लाइंग फेस्टिवल लाइक जो उत्तरायण है, मकर संक्रांति है, उसका भी गाना है. तो जब गरबा होता है उस फेस्टिवल में भी लोग मुझे टैग करते हैं उस गाने को लेकर, और जब संक्रांति आती है तब भी लोग मुझे बहुत टैग करते हैं. तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब किसी फेस्टिवल के साथ लोग मुझे याद करते हैं, गाने के साथ साथ वो गाना प्ले भी करते हैं, गाने पे फेस्टिवल को सेलिब्रेट भी करते हैं, और जितने आर्टिस्ट उस गाने से रिलेटेड हैं उन सबको भी याद करते हैं एंड दैट मेक्स अस फील सो स्पेशल. एंड आई थिंक नवरात्रि में जो मैं मुंबई में यहाँ पे पिछले 15 साल से मुंबई में परफॉर्म करती आई हूँ, और हर साल मैंने कोशिश की है कि एक नया अच्छा गाना, फ्रेश गाना इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकूँ मैं. एंड दिस ईयर ऑल्सो मेरे एक गुजराती जो जोगनी गाना था वो भी लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया. एंड देन दिस जुल्मी सावरिया.
Julmi Savara is trending
Yes,
everywhere, to be
absolutely.
very honest. Yeah. First, but I would like to ask you this कि you know there are very comments for you both that you both the whole cast that बहुत प्यारे Bhumi needs all the appreciation. Bhumi needs much love for this song. You are the upcoming national crush. ऐसी चीजें आ रही हैं. संभावना recommend this song as well. संभावना said. तो उनके लिए भी comments थे आपके लिए कि all the people there stars are recommending about your song on the gram and about you as well. So they are loving it a lot.
Thank you.
So we'll quickly play a game and we'll wrap it up. Okay? So I'll say a word. आपको एक line गानी है and आपको कुछ step करनी है. ठीक है? It's you have to do a step. Yeah.
Okay.
In just a setting and okay. So it's from your songs only. First is Jogni. It's Garba you can do.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
आवी रे जोगणी लावी थोडी रात रे जोगणी सामेनी पोळे गोरणियो बोले आवी आवी झाकमते झोळे गरबे सौ डोले आवी आवी झुमती झुमती आवी सखी गरबे घूमती आवी के जोगणी झूमे रे झूमे के राहड़े घूमे रे घूमे.
Savaria.
सावरिया.
Yeah.
हाँ साइबो.
Yeah. Yeah, Savaria.
जुल्मी सावरिया.
हाँ उसका ही
okay.
एक लाइन कर सकते हो आप because we are getting late.
हो मेरे पीछे पीछे आए ओ चोरी चोरी खींचे जाए चुनरिया हाय 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 तका तकी करता फिरे जुल्मी सावरिया हो तका तकी करता फिरे जुल्मी सावरिया.
Yeah. Thank you.
Better.
You guys have done an amazing job, and people
Thank
are
you.
loving you both. And it's your upcoming. You're coming to the Bollywood, and people are loving and people loved with the collab with Honey Singh as well. So they have appreciated in this song as well.
Yes.
That your collab was amazing, ma'am. So do you want to
Thank
speak on that something?
Yeah, it was a great experience.
Yeah.
Like it was completely different from this.
Yeah,
in
yeah.
that I was being portrayed as an agent, special agent, and there were action sequences in that. So that was a very completely different experience. But as well as that, and it was very fun. And this vibe was totally different.
Yeah.
But I enjoyed both of them a lot. It was a great experience.
Thank you so much, and I wish you good luck. I know it's a heavy days going on for you, but good luck for both of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank you.
bye.